In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a different page in Canva. When you're designing in Canva, it's really common to want more than one page in a project. Maybe you're creating a presentation, a multi-page flyer, or a social media carousel. By default, a lot of people click the duplicate page icon because it's easy and familiar, but that simply copies the existing page, which isn't always what you want if you're trying to create something fresh or completely different. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to properly add a new different page in Canva and explain what to look out for so you don't accidentally duplicate content. First, make sure you're already inside a design. This could be any type of Canva design, a poster, a presentation, a document, or an Instagram post. Once your main design is open on the screen, look just below the canvas area where you see your current page. At the bottom, you'll notice thumbnail previews of your pages if you already have more than one. Right around that area, Canva shows two main icons, one for adding a new page and another for duplicating the current page. They often sit side by side, which makes them easy to mix up. The duplicate page icon is usually represented by two overlapping rectangles, meaning copy this page exactly. If you click that, Canva will create a new page that looks identical to the one you're on, with all the same text, images, and layout. What you want instead is the option that simply says Add Page. This is usually shown as a plus sign or a button labeled Add Page right below your current page. Click on that one, not on the duplicate icon. When you click Add Page, Canva creates a brand new blank page underneath your current one. This gives you a fresh canvas so you can design something completely different without deleting or reworking pre-existing content. Once that new page appears, you can start adding elements, text boxes, images, shapes, and anything else you need. Each page in your design can be unique, with its own layout and style, while still staying inside a single project file. If you ever change your mind and want to remove a page, just select that page's thumbnail and use the trash or delete option. That's all there is to it. Remember, for a brand new design page, click Add Page instead of the duplicate page icon.